Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create your own music. All you need to do is just to give it a prompt. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create your own music using an AI. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful tutorial. Now, to create your own song, all you need to do is you go to your browser. I'm going to be using Firefox. Go to your browser and type suno.com. You press enter, then you wait for it to load. You have to be patient because of network. Wait for it to load. Then if you don't have an account with them, you create an account. So but if you have an account, all you need to do is you go to create, click on create. Now you give the app a prompt. Let's assume I want to create a love song. I'll just give it a prompt. Love song titled My Heart. Then click on create. Wait for it to load. Now it will create two versions for you. One will be faster and one will be slower. So let's listen to our song titled My Heart. I will click on this.
In the quiet night, stars so bright, I'm feeling light with you.
Actually create your own song, your own sound with the help of this website. Let's listen to the second version.
In the quiet night, stars so bright, I'm feeling light.
Actually download this sound to your phone. All you need to do is you click on this these three dots here, go to download. You can download it as a video or as an audio. You just click on audio, then you click on download. It will be downloaded to your device. Thank you and keep watching.